Hello everyone, welcome to CSS online classes. So this video in particular will be our fourth video, the fourth lecture on modern history topics. You can go to my playlist and check. This is the fourth video, and today our topic will be flag satyagraha. It's an important component of modern history events. Uh, so this will be the fourth video. The first video was on Peel Commission. The second video was on Ahrar movement, and the third video was on the cow protection movement. You can go to my web playlist and check these videos. These are also important topics from exam point of view. So today we'll be covering the flag satyagraha, which is in news, and it is also a part of a static modern history. Okay, let's start with flag satyagraha. So flag satyagraha is a campaign of peaceful disobedience, civil disobedience during the freedom struggle or during the Indian independence movement that focused on exercising the right and freedom to hoist the national flag. So that this particular movement, this particular movement, completely focused on the people's right to hoist the national flag and challenge the legitimacy of the British rule in India through the defiance of laws that prohibited the hoisting of national flags and restricting civil freedoms. There are some laws which were prohibiting the civil freedoms of the people of India. So, in retaliation, they campaigned a movement. This movement was not a particular time period. It started from 1920s and it continued in 1930s. Even in Quit India, it continued. So, flag satyagraha were conducted mostly in the city of. It started from Jabalpur and Nagpur in 1923, but also in many parts of India. In many parts of India, it continued. Flag satyagraha proliferated during the non-cooperation movement. It was related to non-cooperation movement because when Chauri Chaura incident happened, after that only this movement started and became a prominent element of the Salt Satyagraha and the Quit India movement. So in Salt Satyagraha, that is the 1930 civil disobedience movement of Gandhiji, it was a very famous thing like hoisting the flag, and Quit India movement also we all know in Goalia tank the flag was hoisted. So this so this particular flag satyagraha was a complete campaign of around you can say around 20 years, 20-25 years. This particular campaign was going on and was one of the most important part of our freedom struggle because national flag is a very important component of our freedom struggle. Okay, it was one of the most common act of defiance during the nationalist rebellions led by Gandhiji and the INC. We can have some example. For example, these are common examples like hoisting the flag in the Ravi River. This is also an example of flag satyagraha because the flag was hoisted. Declaration of Purna Swaraj 1929 during that time. Goal attack 1942, a commencement of Quit India movement. When Quit India movement started in Gawaliya tank, the flag was hoisted. This is also again a part of flag satyagraha. Now, what we do not know is flag satyagraha of Nagpur and Jabalpur. Now, these two things, it is mentioned in our common books, basic books. But these things are not mentioned, the flag satyagraha of Nagpur and the flag satyagraha of Jabalpur. For that, you need to go through the books. There are some other books. You can check my previous videos or you can check my MCQ videos where I have, in the initial part of my video, I have completely mentioned the reference of the books which you need to do. You do not need to follow the book completely, but you have to take the relevant things which are important from exam point of view. Okay. So now we'll be covering what exactly was the Nagpur and Jabalpur Satyagraha, like how it happened and why it happened, and what was the course of events. Okay. Okay, fine. So this Satyagraha, the idea of flag Satyagraha was given by Pandit Sundar Lal. You have to remember the name. Pandit Sundar Lal is the president of the Central Provinces Congress Committee. The spark of the Jhanda Satyagraha is nothing but this flag Satyagraha. The spark of the Jhanda Satyagraha in the country spread from Jabalpur. Okay, so it was started in Jabalpur and concluded in Nagpur. The tricolor was hoisted in the town hall of Bilaspur in March 1923 under the leadership of Pandit Sundarlal. Now the thing is, this was the factual information of this particular flag satyagraha of Nagpur and Jabalpur. But why it happened? That also we need to know. See, after Gandhi was arrested after the चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट के बाद जब गांधी जी को अरेस्ट किया गया उसी वक्त some nationalist protesters demanded the right to hoist a flag. So this flag satyagraha of Nagpur was a direct consequence of non-cooperation movement or the Chauri Chaura incident. If this statement also comes, it will be a right statement. It's a direct consequence of the Chauri Chaura incident. Okay. So 2 to 3 names you need to remember. Pandit Sundarlal you need to remember. Chauri Chaura incident के बाद ये हुआ था you need to remember, and 1923 you have to remember because nowadays questions are coming. The chronological questions are also coming. Okay. So leaders like Vallabhbhai Patel, Jamnalal Bajaj, C. Rajgopalachari, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Vinod Bhave organized the revolt, and thousands of people from different regions, including as far as South, मतलब South से भी लोग आए थे, as the princely state of Travancore, traveled to Nagpur and other parts of central India, which is now Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, to participate in civil disobedience. It means like it was kind of a pan India, you can say. It was not only limited to North or not only limited to Central India, from South India also, people have come to participate here. For example, one name was Kamraj. One name was Kamraj. I'll cover in my next video about Kamraj, and I will cover about Sword Satyagraha. What is Sword Satyagraha? What is Sword Satyagraha? What is Neel Statue Satyagraha? Neel Statue Satyagraha. In my next video, I'll cover. Okay. In the end, the British negotiated an agreement with Sardar Patel and other Congress leaders, permitted the protesters to conduct their march unhindered and obtain the release of those arrested. It means it became a success. This particular Satyagraha of Nagpur, it became a success. There was negotiation and agreement happened, and those leaders, the release of those arrested leaders were made, and this march was conducted unhindered. Okay, it was a success. Now there was another satyagraha also related to flag satyagraha. It happened in Kerala, but it happened in, if you see, it happened in 1938. Okay. So another notable flag satyagraha was organized in Mysore in 1938. It was known as the Shivapur Dhwaja Satyagraha, or you can say Shivapur Dhwaja Flag Satyagraha. Okay. So who was the leader? The leader was T. Siddhalingaya. See, T. Siddhalingaya was the president of the Mysore Congress. As a part of statewide satyagraha, the flag was hoisted in Mysore. Here, 33 people were killed also in open police firing. In open police firing, they were killed. So these three are examples of flag satyagraha. Now it is a news. It is a news. See, the point what I'm trying to put here is aspirants wait for the news to come. See, this flag satyagraha is a part of static. It's a static modern history which I have covered long back in my class. But today it's coming in news. In future, some other things can also come in news. So it's better to cover. It's better to cover the topics from different books. The reference I've given in my old videos. You can go there and check. These are all present in the books. It's not there in normal NCERTs and these normal basic books if you go through. But all these things are available in high level books. You can just check. You can just go through the content and check the relevant information. Okay, so the recently Ministry of Culture has organized a program to observe this flag satyagraha in Jabalpur. So the flag satyagraha becomes very important from exam point of view. Okay. So you can check my website and see the MCQs or the test series. This is my website. And in the next video, I'll be covering Sword Satyagraha and the Neel Statue Satyagraha and chronology of all the satyagrahas. I'll be covering a chronology video. In my next video, I'll be covering it. Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you.